Welcome back. This one's about showers. If you need an emergency shower or have some reason that you need to stop in your process and take a shower and you've thought about a truck stop before, this is the right video. My van doesn't have a shower in it. I do have a cold hose on the back that I could rinse off with, but no showers in it. I typically would suggest using a gym. I have a membership at a national gym. I'd say Planet Fitness or Anytime Fitness would work for that. And that's like 20 bucks a month, maybe 30, something like that, but it's unlimited showers as long as you can find one of those places. But let's say you can't even find one of those and you need a truck stop. It's kind of weird your first time. You don't know what to do. You can't figure out the process. It's not very well labeled or laid out for newcomers. I think that's because it's almost like an apprenticeship thing. You kind of learn it as you go in the trucking world. Maybe it's like a kind of rite of passage. But anyway, I'm going to walk you through that process of how I've done it, how I've seen it done, and kind of generalize different truck stops. And then I'm actually going to show you what it looked like at the Loves I went to this morning to shower. So I took one this morning at the Loves, and I'll show you what that process looks like as best I can. Here we go. So the shower process is pretty easy. Basically, you need to find somewhere that has a shower. You need to purchase a shower. You need to go to the shower, enter your PIN code, and then take a shower. So let me give you a little more detail on that. Number one, just go find somewhere that has a truck stop that has showers. Cursory internet search could get you there. The other way you could do it is through apps. I think that's probably the easiest way, is download some of these truck stop apps like Petro or Flying J or Pilot or Loves or Speedway, any of those, and they'll tell you where they have showers. And you can also earn shower credits through their rewards programs, like by buying fuel or snacks or whatever. So I recommend getting those. Also, some of their apps you can even purchase the shower and you don't even have to talk to anybody. So that's a nice piece too. If you do need to purchase the shower from someone, all you do is walk up to the register and ask. It's often a second register, but if you ask the register where they have the convenience store type stuff and say, I'd like to purchase a shower, they'll send you over to the other one. You'll know which one is the one to purchase showers at because it'll be around all the other trucker stuff, like the inverters and the driving cameras and the comfortable stuff for their seats, for like clothing, that kind of stuff will usually be around that. I also just like to wander through and see where the showers are, and usually the register to purchase a shower is close to the showers. Anyway, so you'll walk up to the register and ask to purchase a shower. It's going to be, I don't know, mine was 12 bucks and 14 bucks, the ones I've done. So I gave her $12 and she gives me this little receipt that says, I'm customer 19, I'm in shower 5, and here's my PIN code. They don't always tell you what shower you're in yet, especially if they're busy or a larger place, but they'll definitely give you a customer number and a PIN. And so then you just need to know what shower you need to go to. They'll announce it. Customer 19, shower number 5 is ready for you. And they have these screens kind of like they have at airports, which are just customer number and shower whenever your shower's ready. So I see customer 19, you're at shower 5. Your shower's ready, cool, I'll go to number 5. Then you just walk down the hallway. It's like a hotel. They've got big numbers on the shower doors that tell you what shower 5 is. Walk up to shower 5, there'll be a PIN code, like a little device stuck to the side of the wall with numbers on it. You type in your PIN code. Usually you either end that with star or pound. It'll have instructions right beside the keypad. Enter it in, the door will unlock. You'll walk inside, and then you're in the shower. It's basically a hotel shower. It's got a little countertop with a sink, with a mirror, and some soap and stuff. And then there'll be some towels set out, at least at the ones I've been to. I'm pretty sure that's pretty regular for them to set towels out for you. And then there'll be a shower. There'll be just the shower head and soap in the shower. It'll just be soap, so if you use that for shampoo or whatever, that works too. Oh, and there will also be a toilet in the ones I've been to. So basically you take your shower. As you leave, take the towels and throw them in the dirty towel bin, which is outside the shower area. It'll say towels over top of it and it'll look just like a trash can. Ditch your towels in there and then leave, and that's the whole shower. I do recommend getting the apps for these places. One, you can tell how busy the showers are. Two, some of them let you purchase the showers. And three, you can figure out where truck stops that have showers are. I also recommend going at off times. Waiting around for a shower is weird, but it's not so bad. The last piece we'll talk about is kind of how my actual shower went. I took a little video here and there of the shower process. So here we go. So you'll get this little receipt. It tells you your customer number. I'm customer 19. They don't always say what shower number you're in, but this one tells me I'll be in shower number 5. And the PIN code that gets you into the shower. So you just watch for the screen to say customer number 19, your shower's ready. And usually they say it over the intercom as well. Go to the shower either on your receipt or on the screen, and then enter your PIN code, and it should let you in to take your shower. Alright, we're gonna find shower number 5. There's gonna be a little PIN code. Type in my code, press the star 32844. 32844, pound, and whoa! Got some towels, and we got our shower. Has some soap already in here, and that's how you do it. So that's it. If you're looking for a truck stop shower, that's the process for doing it. If you're thinking about building a van and you're debating whether or not you need a shower, you absolutely do not. It's nice if you're going to camp for a long period of time and need that warm water, but you can also just put in a water heater and use the back hose if you're backwoods camping. The only thing I'd say is I would suggest going to a gym instead, because you can pay a gym membership, and 2 showers at the truck stop will almost certainly pay for a month of a gym membership, so it's just a much better deal. But if you do need that truck stop, you're in a pinch, or you just can't find an open gym because of a terrible virus that's keeping things closed, then a truck stop bathroom is an okay stop. Please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. That would help me out so much if you do that for me. Also send me stuff. Let me know about your van. I'd love to check out other people's videos and how they're living in their van, and hopefully look ahead to other videos from me. So thanks again.